Hola amigos, this is Professor Rabufi, but you can call me Profe. In this 4-part video series, you'll be learning how to use the preterite and the imperfect like a pro. If you don't know how to conjugate these tenses yet, I put some links for you in the description area below. At one point or another, most Spanish learners struggle with the preterite and the imperfect tenses. They may conjugate them perfectly, but using them is quite a different story. That's why I created this short video series using the preterite and the imperfect like a pro. Today, using the preterite like a pro.
We use the preterite to talk about finished events, and something important to note is that not always a finished event is something that happened on one particular point in time, one specific moment, like for example yesterday at 5 o'clock I called my mother, but actually it could also refer to a period of time, with a clear beginning and an end. So in the person's mind we could say that we could imagine something similar to this picture. We can have a block of time with a clear beginning and end. So, the blue line that we see here could represent that very well. This could be the beginning, this could be the end. We know that, for example, high school was between 1985 and 1999 for this person, and basically we would be outside of this period of time saying, well, I did this. Which brings us to the next point. Focus on what happened. Again, we see the blue line, clear beginning and end, clear beginning and end, and we could refer into something that happened on one particular point in time, just like a very specific point. For example, he met his first girlfriend in the summer of 1992, so I'm talking about a specific moment. Or again, as we said before, it could be referring to a finished event, but that encompassed a few years. He lived abroad for many years. Again, I'm not describing what happened in between those years, I just want to say that, well, he did this. This is what happened. He was abroad for a certain number of years. Finally, the preterite focuses on the achievement. For example, if I say, he graduated from college in 1994. The focus is again on the blue line. We are outside of the line. We are describing something that happened that could have extended for a few years, or something that was very specific in one particular moment.
And that's it. Make sure you understand these concepts very well. In the second video of this series, you'll learn how to use the imperfect like a pro! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please! Please do it!